Tinawanan at sinayawan, ganyan na lang kung bastusin ang ating Pinoy. Pero hindi dito pumapayag si Kabayan pag hindi makaganti. Ang mga Pinoy boxers ay madalas minamaliit at binabastos pag dumayo na sa ibang bansa. Pero iba ang istorya kapag mismong dito tayo binabastos Pilipinas, katulad na lang nitong sinapit ng ating kababayan na si Jundi Pretty Boy Maraon mula Molave, Zamboanga del Sur. Sinayawan, sinigawan, at binantaan pang patutulugin sa harap ng sariling crowd. Pero nagkamali sila. Kasi ang Pretty Boy, hindi lang pogi, may dalang kamaong pangpahiya ng kalaban. Ito ang alaga ni Nonito Donaire Sr., dalang record na 13 panalo, walang talo, 10 knockouts, at isang WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion. Nakatapat nito ang hambog na dayo, si Anthony Piston Mover Mathias ng Tanzania. 23 panalo, 18 dito ay knockouts at isa lang ang talo. Kaya nagawa nitong magyabang at nagbanta pa na patutulugin ang Pinoy dito mismo sa Pilipinas. Halika mga boxing fans, panoorin natin kung paano siya tinuruan ng leksyon at pinabagsak ng Pinoy na si Maraon sa laban na naganap sa Ozamis City. Ito ay para sa depensa ng WBO title ng Pinoy. Round 1, pakitang gilas kaagad itong si Mathias, gustong patunayan ang kanyang banta. Pero si Maraon, kalmado lang. Nag-aabang ng tamang tiyempo.
And Pretty Boy Maraon is coming off a crushing third round knockout over Jason Nogueira. Eh kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao. Eh mas grabe po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao.
Mula sa solidong suntok ni Maraon, bagsak si Mathias ngunit nakatayo pa ito at lumaban.
Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos. Jundi Maraon. Hindi pa tapos. Dennis. Principal. Isang straight. Ang ibinigaw ni Jundi Maraon.
And that was the same punch that floored Jason again. Panood. Going for the kill. Another left by Jundi Maraon and medyo nadulas doon si Jundi Maraon. Now he's going for the kill. He knows that his opponent is in trouble.
But he should take it easy. He can never be confident against these Africans.
Bumabalik yung African, ha?
Yes,
Bumabalik si Mathias.
But that.
Pretty Boy, very cautious right now. And that's the right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity, another left by Jundi Maraon.
That left is really powerful.
Oh.
Talagang malakas na
And Mathias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Mathias is in deep trouble.
Jundi Maraon going to the midsection. He gets knocked down by right. Talagang malakas na
And Mathias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Mathias is in deep trouble. And Mathias missing a left, or rather a right, jab by Maraon.
Nagulat actually yung Africano sa straight na binitawan ni Jundi Maraon. I think he has recovered.
We are under 1 minute of this 12-round encounter.
We're right there by Mathias.
It'll be a short night. Jundi Maraon defending his regional title. Counter left to the body by Maraon. Of this fight. Right by Mathias. Left jab. And nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Mathias using his left jab to ward off. Right by Mathias. Left jab. Ayun mo nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Mathias using his left jab to ward off. And the rail and the attempt around to connect that left. He again connects with a strong left combination. Body shot. Everything being thrown now by
Pumasok na ang mga solidong suntok ni Maraon dito sa round 2, ngunit matibay din itong si Matias.
Matias now has a bloody nose. Oh, courtesy of that straight. Oh, good right there by Matias. Junti Maraon staggers African to Tanzania again.
Kung paano nakakadepensa pa rin si Matias.
Good left. Good section.
Rushing left. Body shot by Kung
Bababa pa rin sa terrifying
left. Body shot by Junti Maraon. Waiting for the right moment.
Isang matinding kaliwa mula kay Maraon. Bagsak ulit si Matias, ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tibay.
Slip. Medyo basa yung corner ni Junti Maraon. Tony Pelsons. Oh, that was a good shot to the body by Matias. Junti Maraon. And we're under 1 minute in the second round. This is a 12-round encounter and most likely it will be
African to Tanzania again. That you
bumabalik pa rin. Kumakanta pa rin si Matias. There's another left.
sa loob. Mama, baksak rin yung
Ano? This was how money pa.
Round 3. Umatake itong si Matias gustong makabawi sa Pinoy, ngunit napaatras siya pag masalubong ang mga suntok ni Kabayan.
Maraon already scored 2 knockdowns in this fight.
one in the first, another
One
in the second.
Courtesy of that kind of left.
Good left there by Matias.
That was a good left jab. Stinging left jab by Matias. He's using that. Yung kanyang footwork. Decent.
Another good left there by Junti Maraon.
Decent.
Another good left there by. And I think it's all over.
Could be. This could be the end of the fight.
Going for the kid. Body shot. Combination by Maraon. Maraon sensing that this is the right moment. Maraon sensing that this is the right moment for him. His best chance to score another stoppage. This is the same round of Jason again for this same title. I saw Matias smiling there, as if saying, I can survive this.
There's that left again.
Mula sa kombinasyon ni Maraon, bagsak ulit si Matias, ngunit at imbes na tumahimik, sinayawan pa si Maraon ng kalaban.
Another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matias. And we're under 1 minute in the second kontra doon sa kaliwa ni yung that's the third time Matias has been floored.
Round 4, dito mas lalong dinamihan ni Maraon ang kombinasyon. Gusto nang tapusin ang kalaban, ngunit nakatayo pa rin ito at lumaban.
Lumapang na, tayo. Sasayaw-sayaw pa. But I think it's just a matter of time. Because left to the midsection by Junti Maraon.
When it comes to skills, power, lahat na kay Junti Maraon. It's his advantage. Pero minsan talaga kapag ka-other is well-conditioned, no? Hindi mo basta-basta that left straight of Junti Maraon. There's that another left straight. Alam mo?
Tibay, Tibay gloves made in Cebu. This is the first time out, the second time out. But we're using this in a big boxing event. And we're doing this to support
Going for the kill, Junti Maraon, body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Junti Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Matias hanging on. Green light. Combination by Maraon. Matias in black, Maraon in red. The undefeated fighter from Braveheart.
Round 5, Unti-unti nang lumambot si Matias mula sa solidong patama ng Pinoy, ngunit mapahanga ka rin sa tapang nito.
Morales is using the right jab.
Yes, he's using the jab right now. Masakit yung jab na yan, ha?
There's a jab again. There's a jab again. Jundi Maraon, his favorite shot, that left straight. And he has floored Matthias to...
Round 6. Dito na tinapos ng Pinoy ang paghihirap ng hambog na kalaban.
Champion Jundi Maraon.
Again, let me express my admiration to the resilience of
Maraon in control of this fight. Combination by Jundi. Still Jundi Maraon.
up there, changing punches with Jundi Maraon.
And now, Matthias is very active with his left jab. Maraon still the patient now, Matthias is very active with his left jab. Kahit pa paano nakakalusot. But the thing is, mas malakas yung dating ng suntok ni Jundi Maraon.
A good left again. Starter sa Tanzanian.
And Jundi Maraon showing composure. Despite those three go ba ni
yes.
Maraon ngayon compared to his last 3 fights. Very active with his left jab. And Jundi Maraon showing composure. Despite those 3 knockdowns he scored each in the first, second, and third rounds.
Mula sa solidong kaliwa, bagsak si Matias. Ngunit nakatayo lang ito agad at patuloy na lumalaban.
Tayo agad! Rest of the rest.
Another knockdown.
This time.
I think he's hurt. There's no more dancing here. No more dancing.
Again, at left of Jundi Maraon.
Mula sa mga solidong suntok ni Maraon na tumama, inawat na ng referee ang laban. Ngunit gusto pang lumaban itong si Matias.
It's all up.
Nakuha ni Maraon ang technical knockout na panalo at nadepensahan ng WBO title.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.